Guys, with this video I'm going to be starting a new video series talking about VisualBasic.net. So VisualBasic.net is the new version of Visual Basic, and the Express version is free. And so Visual Basic is a cool little programming language which makes simple to code programs. So first start off downloading it. So you just look up Visual Basic 2010 Express. And so you can click this first link here, and here's the download overview. You'll be seeing 2013, but if you scroll all the way down here you'll see 2010. Click Visual Basic and click this, and it'll download this. So you run that and it installs Visual Basic, which you'll see here. So when you run it the first time, you'll see a different window which has create new project right about here. So you can either click that or go to File, New Project. So here in this menu, choose Windows Forms Application and type in the name box Hello World Application without spaces. Now, as you can see here, you have your form. So with these things, you can resize it, and this is basically what your user sees when he runs the program, when he or she runs the program. So you can make it as small as you want, but you can also make it as big as you want. For this, we're just going to make it pretty small because all we need is 2 buttons. 1 and 2. Now move button 2 under number 1. And we can get started. So with this program, we're going to make one button, when clicked, open a box that says Hello World on your screen. But on the second one, it'll do the same thing, but it'll close this form right here and only show the message box. So let's start off with the first button. Double click it and type here message box dot show, and in these parentheses put in double quotes and type in whatever you want. In this case, Hello World. So this is the event handler for the button, which means this is what the code does when you click it. It'll show this little message box here. So watch. If you click that little play button and you click the first button, here we go. We get this message box that says Hello World. Now with our second button, we want to close this form because, as you can see, when we click button 1, this form is still there. So with button 2, we double click and go to its event handler. As you can see, this is button 1, this is button 2, and you copy and paste the Hello World part from button 1. But also, in the line above it, put me.hide with 2 parentheses, which means it hides this form, which is me because the button is on this form, and then me.hide, and then it shows the message box. So let's run our program, and as you can see, that window is gone. It only shows the Hello World message box. So that's all for today. I'll be going into more depth on how this works and some more features with it next time. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.